Hi mga kabeshiwak kung magaganda na katulad ko. Chars! So today mga kabeshiwak, we are sharing our holiday season and how we spent our Christmas with family. So our holiday preparations mga kabeshiwak started with wrapping gifts for our loved ones, ganun. Masaya ang pagbabalot ng mga regalo pero nakakapagod. Kaya syempre pagkatapos naming binalot yung mga regalo ay kumain muna kami kasi talagang gutom na kami.
Wow.
Babe, smile. Ang pogi mo, baby.
This one is better. This one is me. Let's try it.
Kain!
Cotton.
So, the next day mga kabeshiwak, we packed all the gifts since we were going to spend Christmas at my mother-in-law's house. So, kinabukasan mga kabeshiwak is bumiyahin na kami mula Alabama papuntang Georgia. Pupunta kami ngayon sa aking mother-in-law. Doon kami mag-celebrate ng Christmas. La 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 la.
Merry Christmas.
We're gonna celebrate the birthdays. Akin ang truck. Kain tayo ng popcorn. So, after about 2 hours of driving, we stopped at Buc-ee's to use the restroom and buy some food, ganun. How are you, my baby boo?
I'm okay.
Saan? Okay, andito na kami sa Buc-ee's. Wow, si Buc-ee's. Hi! Oh, so cute. Okay. Ito yung CR nila. Super nice. So, diba? Super nice yung CR. Dami ko ba? So cute. CR muna kami. Sa Buc-ee's. Dami nilang food dito. I'm gonna look something. Look at that. A lot of cookies, pecan, muffin. Oh, cinnamon roll. Looks good. Dami nilang food dito. So much food. It's only $2. Buc-ee's cute. Yeah.
Oh, banana bread.
It's small.
There's the fudge. Fudge sampler. And how much that is.
Complete fudge. $15. It's cute. Excuse me. That is. How much that? This is $18. You like that? How much that? 17. 3 sandwiches. Have you tried this before? Have you tried that?
No.
Carolina. I've tried that before. Wow, look at that. Mga pagkain nila. Oh, so much food. Ito pa oh. Dami nilang food dito. Okay. Okay. I like that. Where is the car? Ayan. Oops. Bumili lang kami ng pagkain. We have chips. And then, oops. So we have chopped brisket sandwich. And super bango niya, mga beshuwak. And ako naman, super laki yung sandwich nila. I have Carolina pulled pork sandwich. So, kakainin muna natin to, tapos bibiyahe kami ulit. My sandwich, so big. Tuloy ang biyahe. Ting dark!
Oh, it's getting dark.
Pagod na yung aking baby. Hi, baby. Are you pagod na? Are you tired?
Not yet.
Not yet. Is that the river? Oh, we are super lawak ng.
The other side.
Looks like, are we in Gunsterville? No.
Seems like cars.
Yeah. Naantok na ako. I feel sleepy. I just slept 3 hours. Pasalubong! I can't believe I made this. So, pagdating namin sa bahay ng aking biyanan, gabi na, pagod kami sa mahabang biyahe, pero masaya dahil finally nakarating na rin kami dito. Where's the house?
This guy lives next door to us.
Oh.
That one's nice too.
Oh, that's nice. Finally, we are here, Mo. What's that? So, the next day was Christmas Day. So, nagkaroon kami ng munting salo-salo, kumain kami with my in-laws, at pagkatapos kumain, nagbigayan kami ng mga regalo, ganun. Sobrang saya at napaka-espesyal ng moment na yun, mga kabeshuwak. So, after ng Christmas Day, lumabas kami, kasama namin yung aking biyanan, may binili lang kami sa labas, ganun, nag-banding-banding. So, 3 araw lang kami nag-stay dito sa aking biyanan. Then after that, bumalik na kami sa Alabama. Syempre, bago bumalik sa Alabama, binisita ko muna yung mga chicken ng aking biyanan kasi natutuwa ako sa kanila. And alam niyo ba mga kabeshuwak na gusto ko rin magkaroon ng manok sa aming bahay. Siguro bibili kami ng manok kapag nalagyan na namin ng bakod yung ating likod. Kasi nakakatuwang mag-alaga ng manok. We're going back to Alabama. That's a nice place.
Right there. Perfect day for it. A little too warm.
Yeah, it's warm a little bit. It's not cold. I like this place. It's big.
Great looking.
Wow, that's nice decoration. Downtown. Look at this. It's a nice place. Go fishing.
Yeah.
Yes, I promise. Good morning, Doctor. Morning, Dan.
No, I remember this
Nurse
place.
said to meet you down here. That's right. Mrs. Snow.
because
this
it
is
has
Dan Green, our
Christmas
chaplain
decor,
here at
that's
the
why. Look at that.
hospital. He's had a great deal of
Beautiful
experience
place.
helping people in similar situations.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Green.
Just call me Dan.
Put a lot of belief in their Christmas fantasy.
Interesting.
So ayan mga kabeshiwak, nakarating na kami sa bahay. Tapos ayan, binubuksan na namin mga gifts namin. Wow! What is this? Oh, pillow.
More pillows.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Look. Wow, perfect. This is perfect for cake, baby, and cookies. Look.
Whole Foods. Wow. What is this?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. The Reebok sweatshirt. Excellent. Wow. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Wait, there's something else. Oh my gosh. Wrangler underwear. Wow. It's what I always wanted. This is excellent. Look at the texture on these things, man. This is gonna last a lifetime. Hey, what is this? I'm afraid to look. What is it?
Snake.
Huh?
Snake.
What is that? Oh, the speaker, baby. Thank you, baby.
You're
Wow.
welcome.
Y'all. Thank you, baby, so much.
So, ang holiday season na ito mga kabeshiwak ay nagpaalala sa amin na ang pinakamahalagang bahagi ng Pasko ay ang pagsasama, pagmamahalan at paggawa ng masasayang alaala. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-comment at mag-subscribe. Maligayang Pasko at Happy Holidays! Bye mga kabeshiwak!